direction. Just where we'll point that bow, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, lifers, what's up? I hope I'm in the frame. Try and get everything in the frame by myself. It's not always easy. We're gonna clean this little bed out right here. Get all the leaves and 22 pounds of acorns out. We're gonna plant some herbs. Herbs. I'll tell you what I'm planting as we go. I hope y'all are having a wonderful time. It's been a long time since I posted a regular video. This is something I've never done, so we're gonna learn this together. See what we got here. Curled parsley. I don't know that I'll ever use that. Rosemary. Peppermint. Thyme. I didn't know you could grow thyme. Dill. Garlic chives. I don't know what that is. Okay. Got one more. Some kind of sage. I hope all these will grow together. I'm sure if they won't, somebody let me know I'm an idiot. No big surprise, people. I already know I'm an idiot. If they won't grow together, let me know. I'll come remove them and separate them and everything. Anybody ever need any oak leaves, y'all just let me know. I know where there's plenty of them at. Oak trees, I'll start them. I guarantee to you. Well, I'll bring y'all back when I start planting them. I'm gonna plant is gonna be the one that's got the wasp on it. And on him. There's a peppermint. It's got these long runners. We're gonna plant it right over here in the corner by itself. Gotta love a good Jake break in the middle of a gardening video. You got to love it. I tried to get somebody to come run the camera for me. They said, okay. Wow, that's got some roots. There's some root bound in there. Y'all can tell me how deep I'm supposed to plant them, how I fucked that up. Mom will tell me how I overwater them. She's got that under control. She don't need no help. And we're gonna, we'll put the curled parsley next to that. I'm not gonna make y'all watch me plant every one of them, but y'all get the general idea. Grow you some stuff. I think she paid $1.50 or $2 a piece for these at the local nursery where I buy most of my stuff at. Seeds and everything. And And ain't neither one of us, me or Mom, ever planted anything like this. If it grows, I will be astounded. And if it don't, it was a cheap learn towel. These things are extremely dry. I normally don't water plants in, but I'm gonna have to water these in. It's a lot of compost, a little bit of topsoil. Let's see. I like this grassy looking one for the third one, and then I'll just bring y'all back when I finish the other 4. How about that? This one right here is lemongrass. Who would have thunk it? They sold grass that was lemon. Never in my life. I'm putting the tags in front of them, or for at least a day or two, I know what they are. Get us I don't smell lemon. I can smell peppermint for sure. How about that? Them rows ain't straight and they're less than a foot long. Alright, I'll bring y'all back when we get through planting. Let you look at it. Alright, lifers. There we go. 8 plants in today. See how they do. I'll be interested. I'll bring y'all along. Something different, something new. Alright, lifers, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Kept it short, sweet, simple as I can. Do this at your house. If I can do it, anybody can. Everybody needs some fresh herbs. It's not the only herbs I like, but everybody needs some fresh herbs. And we gone.